Hey, are you thinking about selling your home in the greater Seattle area? If so, here are 5 essential tips to get it market ready and maximize your sales price. First, purge the house of clutter. Start a few months before listing or however long you think you need, but keep in mind, most people need longer than they think. Clear countertops, pack away personal items, and declutter every room. A tidy home not only looks great in photos, but it also makes a fantastic impression on buyers, potentially adding thousands in resale value. Second, deep clean key areas. Focus on often neglected spots, like the ceiling fans, baseboards, or under appliances. Regular cleaning keeps your home pristine for showing, significantly impacting buyers' impressions on your home. Third, tackle essential maintenance. Fix small repairs like patching holes, servicing the HVAC, changing air filters, and fixing leaky faucets. Ensuring everything is in good working order helps buyers see your home as move-in ready. Fourth, boost your curb appeal. First impressions matter. Maintain your lawn, add fresh mulch, simple landscaping, and paint your front door a welcoming color. A great exterior can significantly increase your home's resale value and attract more buyers. Fifth, estimate your net proceeds and plan your next move. Calculate the cost of selling, including agents' compensations, taxes, and closing costs. Feel free to reach out to me, by the way, if you'd like a free closing cost estimator. Also, plan your next move early to ensure a smooth transition. Here's a bonus tip for you. Hire a stellar real estate team. Interview a select team with a proven track record and a strategic plan to get you top dollar for your home. A top performing team can provide invaluable advice and ensure a smooth, successful sale. These are 5 essential things to do before you get your house on the market. Follow these steps and work with a professional team, and you will be well on your way to a successful, profitable home sale. My name is Aaron Morrow. I'm a local realtor on the Integrity Home Selling team in the greater Seattle area, and I serve both clients, both home buyers and sellers in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out, and I'm here to help.